Don't download Wrike Enterprise Work Management Suite app before watching this. If you're considering installing the Wrike Enterprise Work Management Suite, you need to hear this first. Most people get Wrike completely wrong, and because of that, they miss out on its strongest features. The truth is, Wrike isn't built to be your simple task manager. It's designed for deep operational structure, and you won't believe what happens next if you underestimate that. Wrike excels at complex cross-team work. If you're running multi-step campaigns, product launches, or enterprise projects with lots of handoffs, Wrike can centralize everything in one place. Its strength is in visibility, Gantt charts, custom workflows, request forms, intake queues, and powerful reporting dashboards. But here's what most teams miss. They install Wrike expecting a Kanban board. Instead, they get a high-performance engine. When teams don't set up workflows, custom fields, or request forms, Wrike feels overwhelming. When they do, Wrike becomes one of the most efficient operational systems available. The Enterprise Suite adds advanced security, resource management, and automation. You can track workloads across multiple teams, see woes overloaded, and reassign tasks instantly. For example, you can view your entire marketing team's weekly capacity and redistribute tasks before deadlines slip. Wrike also has one of the best request systems in the industry. Teams can submit creative briefs, campaign requests, or support needs through structured forms. Those requests automatically route to the right team with the right priority, directly into the right workflow. The surprising truth is that Wrike can handle both day-to-day execution and big-picture strategy, but only if you commit to building the structure. Without it, the tool works against you instead of with you. So before you download Wrike, ask yourself, do I need advanced structure, detailed workflows, and real visibility? If yes, Wrike is one of the strongest enterprise platforms available. If not, you might want a simpler system. If this helped you understand Wrike more clearly, hit like and subscribe for smarter tool breakdowns that save you time and headaches.